Hello everyone! In this video I will be growing parsley microgreens. Parsley microgreens are delicious, nutritious, and very easy to grow. The variety I'm growing is from Todd Seed Company. This is the triple curled variety. I paid $7.50 for a pound of seeds. You can find these seeds from other vendors as well. Here you can see True Leaf sells a different variety. This is the flat leaf variety. It is a little more expensive at $16.82 a pound. They also have a triple curled variety as you see here, and that is also $16.82 a pound. So I went with the seeds from Todd and they came out great. Parsley is rich in minerals and vitamins. According to the USDA, parsley contains the minerals calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc, as well as vitamins C, A, E, D, K, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin 6, and even folate. Parsley is believed to provide many health benefits, and it definitely adds great flavor to your dishes. As a microgreen, parsley packs even more nutritional value since microgreens are said to have a much higher concentration of nutrients than the mature plant. Let me show you how easy it is to grow. I'm using organic soil. I'm really not picky about the soil I use for microgreens other than I want it to be organic. This soil is a very nice dark rich color. It is called Nature's Care by Miracle-Gro. I'm using 10-inch by 10-inch trays, 2 trays, one with holes for drainage, the other without holes to act as a catch tray. And these are the seeds I'm using. These are triple curled parsley seeds from Todd Seed Company. This is the 1-pound bag that I paid $7.50 for, and it will last a really long time. I measure out 1 tablespoon into an Old Spice container. It has holes so that I can use it like a shaker to shake out the seeds over the soil more evenly. By the way, I watered the soil, so the soil is already nice and wet. You can see how the spice shaker makes it so easy to spread the seeds out evenly. And a tablespoon is just the right amount for a tray this size. Some people say you should soak your seeds first. I only soak my bigger seeds, such as sunflowers or peas. I don't soak the smaller seeds anymore. I used to, but I find it's easier to spread them more evenly when they're dry. Once I'm done spreading the seeds, I give the parsley a good spray of water and cover them up and put them away. It's the next day and I'm just checking on the parsley seeds and nothing yet. Now let's look on day 2 and still nothing. The seeds look a little dry, so I spray it with some water. If they look moist, I don't water them. You don't want to overdo the water. The soil does a good job retaining the moisture, and since I covered them up at this stage of the game, the soil stays moist for longer. Okay, today is day 3. Let's have a look at the parsley seeds, and still nothing. Day 4, nothing. Alright, let's fast forward to day 10. I've kept the parsley covered until now, and here is the parsley. At this point, I'm going to uncover the parsley and let it get some light as it keeps growing. Now it's day 11, and what a difference a day makes, especially a day in the light. I kept the parsley microgreens uncovered since yesterday, and look how much they've greened up and grown. I really like the taste of these. Their flavor as a microgreen is much milder than the flavor of the mature plant. So now it's day 12 and the parsley microgreens continue to grow and fill out the tray. The leaves are a beautiful green color and the stems are nice and white. These are really great in a variety of dishes. Parsley is actually native to the Mediterranean region. It has been cultivated for more than 2,000 years. It was originally used medicinally, and then sometime in the Middle Ages, people started using parsley in their cooking and as a seasoning. Okay, here we are at day 13, and these are really ready for harvest. I just don't have time right now to harvest them, and there is no harm in letting them grow a bit longer. Now it's a couple days later, actually it's day 18, and I'm finally ready to harvest this. Sometimes I have other microgreens growing, and there's just so much you can eat. The microgreens can stay fresher if they are still alive and growing. Once I harvest them and put them in the refrigerator, they don't last as long. So if I'm not ready to use them and I can push them to grow a couple more days in the soil, then that's what I do. And here you have it. Look at this beautiful crop. I like using scissors to harvest. I know some people use a sharp knife, but I'm much more comfortable with scissors. I have a special pair of scissors that I only use for microgreens. I got a nice tray of parsley microgreens from just a tablespoon of seeds. I'm using my salad spinner to clean the microgreens. It has a nice strainer basket, and I can rinse off the microgreens really well, then spin them dry. I still pat them dry with a paper towel before putting them away in the refrigerator. Well, that's it for growing parsley microgreens. The broccoli microgreens are still my favorite, but these have an interesting taste and they are so easy to grow. I recommend giving them a try just for a change of taste. They have a very mild parsley flavor to them. I hope you enjoyed this video on growing parsley microgreens. I love reading your comments and suggestions. That's how I learn and grow too. So if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them below, and thank you for watching. Bye!